Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate Show. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic forecast of the top 5 cryptocurrencies during the last 24 hours. Let's immediately start off with Bitcoin, the king, BTC, number one in the world, currently at a price of $19,941, down 3.04%. Number two in the world, Ethereum, ETH, currently at $1,092, down 5.22%. Number three in the world, Binance Coin, BNB, currently at $225, down 2.45%. Then as number 4 in the world, we have XRP, the scam, currently at 0.31 cents, down 3.99%. And then we have number 5 in the world, Cardano ADA, currently at 0.43 cents, down 4.39% in the last 24 hours. Then let's proceed to the top 5 best performing coins out of the top 100 in the last 24 hours. Let's start with Arweave, AR, currently at $12.01, up 5.16%. Loopring, for some reason that sounds like hula hooping to me. LRC, currently at 0.39 cents, up 4.41%. Number 3, Polygon, solid coin, Matic, currently at 0.57 cents, up 4.96%. Then we have Chili's. Chili's? Is that like the US restaurant? That's what it sounds like. CHZ, currently at 10 cents. And it's up 3.17%. And then we have Mina to round it off, currently at 0.65 cents, and it's up a whopping 1.19% in the last 24 hours. Then we proceed again, top 100 coins, the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 24 hours. We have the unicorn. Is that a unicorn, right? Uniswap Uni, currently at $5.56, down a whopping 9.36. That hurts. Then we have Aave, currently at $70, and it's down 9.16%. Then we have Thorchain Rune, currently at $2.02, down 9.14%. Then we have ApeCoin, currently at $4.31, down 7.90%. And then we have the OG, Mr. Neo, currently at $8.33, down 7.88%, to round it off the top 5 worst performing assets in the last 24 hours. All right, let's proceed to your favorite part of the Crypto Climate Show, the charts. You guys gotta love it. We see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, currently at a 5th. Let's see how it closed. Red candle in consecutive days. We see that we're currently in a small downtrend. Price action, it has down pressure. It's going down, most likely to test the $19,130 in the next couple of days. Let's see how it continues to play out. We have resistance up here, strong resistance at around $22,400, as we can see here, and then we can also see here as well. If this support is broken, then we'll most likely try to go down to the previous lows around $17,659. So just stay tuned to see what happens in the next couple of days. The RSI, we see a couple of trend lines here. We're playing within this price range. We got to see, if Bitcoin finds the strength to, come back up and break it to the upside, or if it, continues to play here and then breaks it to the downside. We got to wait and see to see what the RSI decides to do. Currently, the stochastic RSI is in the downtrend. We currently breached the 80 level to the downside. So let's see how the momentum continues to play out in the next couple of days. How about the weekly chart? Let's take a peek. The weekly chart, we see that we currently, let's take a look here at the RSI. We're currently down here at these levels under the 30 level. So again, we're oversold, but it can remain down there for extended days or even weeks at a time. So we got to monitor that situation. The stochastic, though, we have a cross up. So the key level is 20. If we get above that, then the trend for the short term might switch to the upside. But we can also come up here and get rejected by this resistance, and then continue down here as well. So anything can happen. It's all about probabilities. Don't forget about that, guys. Then we actually have key support and resistance levels here. We see that on a weekly time frame. We're just currently hanging out between this support line and this resistance line right here. We might come back down to play with this, right? We're just watching like a hawk. If we break to the upside, then we might have momentum to come and test this resistance of here. But if we go and break down, then we'll probably retest the lows, and then if that breaks, then we might, you know, continue on to try and find new lows. So, you know, you guys got to stay tuned for that. So again, we have the Bitcoin dominance here at a key level. We have a key resistance level right here. We just breached it. It was previous support, and now we're just waiting, you know, staying down pat, just checking out, you know, the Bitcoin dominance. Again, if this candle closes below this resistance, then we might come back down here to test this support level, and then if it doesn't and it's a fake out, then we might break up to the upside, and then Bitcoin can become more dominant in the next couple of days or weeks to come. So stay tuned and on the lookout for that. When it comes to the altcoin market cap, we have here basically a wedge. We have a lower highs here, a lower high, and then another lower high, and then we have a higher low and a higher low. So, you know, price action is just in this channel, in this wedge, you know, between trend lines, and we're just trying to see, you know, is price action gonna come back up, you know, and actually try to break this to the upside, and then altcoins, we can have a brief altcoin season, or, you know, we're currently at key support levels. So if we break this, then altcoins might, you know, start suffering as, you know, those billions go down and people panic and actually remove their funds from altcoins, you know, in the next couple of days or weeks. So stay tuned for that. And then one of the most important charts, the DXY. Currently, in the previous crypto climate show video, we actually showed you guys that we were currently here, and then a couple of days later, you know, as we said, boom, that was a highly probable move. If we broke this resistance level, as we can see here, that we would probably have more continuation. So right now, if you zoom out and actually go to a weekly chart, you know, we can see that it's just, you know, the dollar right now is showing strength. It is what it is. You know, cash is king currently. Cash positions, you know, in the next couple of weeks to a couple of months, you know, it'll be key as the dollar, you know, continues to go parabolic essentially. As we can see the trend line right here, you know, let's see what happens. It might come back down to retest the previous resistance, test it at support, and then continue on, or it might just continue, you know, that parabolic move. Anything can happen, right? But it's all about probabilities. And in the previous video, we discussed this key resistance, that if it would break it, then the continuation would probably continue, and that was the case. So again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the content. Crypto Climate Show here, Jay with you guys. Again, swing by our website. Here you'll find our social network links, and then, you know, tools and resources about the crypto world. Make sure you guys pass by our Twitter, follow. It would be gladly appreciated. Here you'll find solid content as well. Then we have our TikTok, brand new, fresh off the press content for you guys. You can swing by and check that as well. Instagram, one of our main platforms. You'll find, you know, quality posts, stories, information, you know, regarding crypto and the necessary mindset to be successful as an investor. And then our main free educational platform where we post all our videos. Again, make sure you guys are subscribed. Click on the notification bells for the brand new, fresh off the press videos, you know, that we release for you guys. Like this video, comment down below, check the description. I would gladly appreciate the support. I hope you guys have a good one.